Adventure Pulse presents an extraordinary journey into one of the most breathtaking archaeological treasures in the world, Petra. This ancient city in Jordan, carved into rose-red cliffs, is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. As one of the new 7 wonders of the world, Petra continues to fascinate explorers, historians, and tourists alike. Today, we will delve into the history, architecture, and cultural significance of Petra, unearthing the secrets that lie within its stunning facades and hidden corners. Nestled in the rugged desert canyons of southern Jordan, Petra is a city that defies the ordinary. To reach it, one must traverse the narrow and winding path known as the Siq, a natural sandstone gorge that serves as the grand entrance to this ancient marvel. The anticipation builds with each step, as the towering cliffs seem to close in around you, creating an atmosphere of mystery and wonder. And then, as if by magic, the path opens up to reveal the iconic facade of the Treasury, or Al-Khazna, one of the most recognizable structures in Petra. The Treasury's intricate facade, with its Hellenistic influences and detailed carvings, is a sight to behold. But the Treasury is just the beginning. Petra sprawls over an area of about 264 square kilometers, containing hundreds of tombs, temples, and dwellings. The city was established by the Nabateans, an ancient Arab people, around the 6th century BCE. Their mastery of rock-cut architecture and water management systems allowed Petra to thrive as a major trading hub. Walking through Petra, one cannot help but marvel at the ingenuity of the Nabateans. They carved their city into the very rock of the mountains, creating structures that have stood the test of time. The royal tombs, with their grand facades and elaborate interiors, showcase the Nabateans' architectural prowess. These tombs, believed to be the resting places of Nabatean kings and queens, offer a glimpse into the splendor and sophistication of their civilization. As you explore further, you will come across the Street of Facades, a row of tombs with impressive entrances. This street leads to the theater, a Roman-style amphitheater capable of seating up to 8,500 spectators. The blending of Nabatean and Roman architectural styles is evident here, highlighting Petra's importance as a cultural crossroads. One of the most significant aspects of Petra is its advanced water management system. In a region with scarce water resources, the Nabateans devised an ingenious system of dams, cisterns, and water channels to collect and store rainwater. This allowed them to sustain their city and support a thriving population. The remains of these systems can still be seen today, a testament to the Nabateans' engineering skills. Beyond its architectural wonders, Petra also holds immense historical significance. The city was a major trading hub, strategically located at the crossroads of several important trade routes. It facilitated the exchange of goods, cultures, and ideas between civilizations. Spices, textiles, and precious metals flowed through Petra, enriching its inhabitants and contributing to its prosperity. The Great Temple, another of Petra's monumental structures, reflects the city's religious significance. This temple complex, with its grand courtyards and columns, was a center of worship and communal gatherings. It is believed that various deities were venerated here, showcasing the religious diversity of Petra's inhabitants. As you climb higher into the hills, you will reach the Monastery, or Adair, another iconic structure of Petra. Similar in design to the Treasury but larger in scale, the monastery offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It is a testament to the Nabateans' ability to integrate their architecture with the natural environment, creating a harmonious blend of man-made and natural beauty. The Nabatean script, an early form of Arabic writing, can be found etched into the walls of Petra. These inscriptions provide valuable insights into the daily lives, beliefs, and customs of Petra's inhabitants. They tell stories of trade transactions, religious dedications, and personal expressions, offering a glimpse into the human aspect of this ancient city. Petra's decline began in the 4th century CE, following a series of earthquakes that damaged many of its structures. The city's importance waned, and it was eventually abandoned. For centuries, Petra remained hidden from the outside world, known only to local Bedouins. It wasn't until the early 19th century that Petra was rediscovered by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt, bringing it back into the global spotlight. Today, Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Jordan's rich cultural heritage. It attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors each year, drawn by its history, beauty, and mystery. The preservation and conservation of Petra are ongoing efforts, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at this ancient wonder. The Bedouins, who have lived in and around Petra for centuries, play a crucial role in the site's preservation. Their knowledge of the land and its history is invaluable, and they continue to share their traditions and stories with visitors. The Bedouins' deep connection to Petra adds a layer of cultural richness to the experience, reminding us of the enduring human presence in this ancient city. The journey through Petra is not just a walk through history, it is a sensory experience. The scent of desert flowers, the sound of footsteps echoing through narrow canyons, and the play of light and shadow on the rock walls create an atmosphere that is both serene and awe-inspiring. Every corner turned reveals a new wonder, a new story waiting to be discovered. Petra's allure lies not only in its grand monuments but also in its hidden gems. The high place of sacrifice, accessible by a steep climb, offers stunning views of the city below. The Treasury from above, a viewpoint reached by a challenging hike, provides a unique perspective of the iconic facade. These lesser-known spots allow visitors to experience Petra's beauty away from the crowds, offering moments of tranquility and reflection. In recent years, efforts have been made to enhance the visitor experience while preserving Petra's integrity. Interpretive centers, guided tours, and informational displays provide context and enrich the understanding of Petra's history and significance. These initiatives ensure that visitors can appreciate Petra not just as a collection of ancient ruins, but as a living, breathing testament to human creativity and resilience. The significance of Petra extends beyond its historical and architectural marvels. It serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of human civilizations. The trade routes that converged at Petra facilitated the exchange of ideas, technologies, and cultures, contributing to the development of societies across the ancient world. In this way, Petra stands as a symbol of our shared heritage and the enduring legacy of human ingenuity. As we conclude our journey through Petra, we are left with a sense of awe and admiration for the Nabateans and their achievements. Their ability to create a thriving city in the heart of the desert, to carve majestic structures out of rock, and to develop sophisticated water management systems is truly remarkable. Petra is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to overcome challenges and create beauty in the most unlikely of places. Adventure Pulse invites you to continue exploring the wonders of our world, to seek out the hidden treasures and untold stories that lie waiting to be discovered. Petra is just one chapter in the rich tapestry of human history, a chapter that inspires us to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into the mysteries of our past. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to embarking on many more adventures together. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep the spirit of exploration alive. Until next time, this is Adventure Pulse, signing off.